If you're looking for dogs toys by Oshide, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet lovers' most popular dogs toys by Oshide. Number 1, most popular by Oshide. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Oshide. Number 3. For more details about these dogs' toys, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Oshide. Find these dogs' toys by Oshide at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs toys by Oshide ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.